one area which you mentioned is sort of, what are the vendors you can typically work with in this space? We have had good experience with these vendors, and this is the sort of template to work and then drive a playbook there. What are some few other areas you see this standardization being applicable?
So I think right now in the artificial intelligence space, there's a lot of opportunities because all companies are looking at adding AI to their processes at the same time.
Right.
So I think you can save portfolio companies a lot of time by sharing ideas on how to implement Gen AI and how to connect to the API.
Right.
And so that's a very good candidate for a step-by-step playbook to give them an example and say, look, you want to add generative AI capabilities to your product or to your processes, and this is how you do it, and this is how you get the API key, and this is how you get the data back and forth. And that can save them a lot of time, especially in a space where talent is hard to find.
Right.
And to your earlier point, that's where companies struggle, because if large private equity firms comes with hundreds of ideas to make changes, then the portfolio companies is going to run out of resources, talent, time, money.
So that's
where I think that can help a lot.